Himalayan rock salt honey mustard salad. This honey mustard salad with iceberg lettuce, olives and Tata Salt Rock Salt will make eating healthy seem like a breeze. Start by taking the iceberg lettuce to task, shredding it leaf by leaf, a violent act for a very good cause. Next, attack the bell peppers, the colourful brushstrokes of this dish. Slice them up just the way you like them. The sour but delicious olives will suffer the same fate. Once it's all in one place, stacked and stuffed together, add our unsung heroes. A slow drip of spicy mustard will coat every inch. An unending stream of sweet, sweet honey will balance out the spice and the sour. And just a splash of oil to keep things as moist as can be. Make that a splash and a half. To finish, crush the fine grains of Tata Salt Rock Salt across these treats, merging the varied flavours and making them even more healthy. Bon appetit!